Bisola no be your mate. Eh? Say na how they follow person when pass you they talk. You follow and talk so. She no be your mate too.
I don't care if she's 1,000 years older than I am. That doesn't give her any right to call me names.
Adamo de non see. Bisola, Bisola, like beans and rice. You don't think when we don't they bar a wabo. She no be your mate too. She don't be my friend now. 15 years after you na Bisola be the only family member we I get. And waiting Bisola talking no pass her mouth. She just dey advise you. May your life no spoil.
No wait, hold on. They'll say, call out your friend. You call Bisola. Bisola is a bitter, broke woman that likes to poke her nose in people's businesses.
You don't do. You hear me? I say you don't do.
Wait, I can't believe this. Your friend asked you to quit a job that paid you 300,000 naira and you considered it. Are you addicted to suffering?
Ada!
It's not your fault, I know where the problem is. Because if you went to school when your mates were going to school, we won't be in this situation. Ada mo binu ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ ló jẹ́ Ada ba Yara
But then his daddy came and brought his email.
That was close.
That must have been so scary. I was crying.
Oh.
Okay, let me ask you something else. Okay. If you were the president for a day, what would you do?
What would I do?
I think I'd fire everyone else and then rewrite the rule of law.
Are you... Wait, how old are you again?
12.
12? What class?
I'm in SS1.
SS1. Interesting. At 12, what was I? I think I was still struggling with multiplication tables. Oh, Ada, you're something else. You're such a gem. Hey, well done.
Ada, don't clean everything.
Thank you, Jumoke. Jumoke wants to separate us.
What you really? Mother, if you say maybe we stay. Any Saturday, you don't get anything with the Abby.
Okay. I'm just joking.
How do you cope staying in this big house all by yourself?
Well, I do not stay in this big house all by myself. My husband is on a business trip in the UK, and my sister stepped out a few minutes before you arrived.
Oh. No, if you stay, because you come, we go.
Don't worry, thank you. Thank you.
Abi, make I go clean your room.
Jumoke, I've told you that's the only chore that I do. Since my husband and my sister will not allow me to do anything, so it's okay. Thank you. It's okay.
Jumoke.
Ma? I want to ask you for a favor. Is it okay?
It's okay if you ask me anything. If I good, I don't get anything where I feel, but...
You know, say you're supposed to be comedian, Sha.
Okay, anyways. Can Ada come visit him anytime she comes back from school?
She video come every day, complete.
Thank you very much, Nwachukwu. Thank you. I really enjoy her company. And anytime she comes, baby is always kicking. Always. Thank you. I hope her father will be okay with the arrangement, Sha.
Jamalo.
So, I mean, I didn't even offer you guys juice or cookies or something. Don't you want juice? I want. Good girl. Okay, you know what? Do you know the way to the kitchen?
Yes.
All right. When you enter the first cabinet on your left, top shelf, you see cookies there. Open the fridge. Anything you want.
Thank you, Mom.
Enjoy. Sit down.
I feel that this place is okay for me.
It's okay. Well done, eh? Well done.
Maybe I bring water for you.
No, I did okay. Thank you. Well done.
You go see fine. Dúró mú bọ̀. Ṣé wà ilé ìkúrò lórí? Àkàrà náà gbóná. Ó gbádùn. Ó fi díẹ̀ ń bọ̀. Ṣé o ti para? Ilé ìtọ́jú ẹ̀kọ́ rẹ lọ́wọ́ báyìí. Mọ́ bínú. Ó ti tán báyìí. Ogidi. Ìdíyẹn wá bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ wo bọ́ mọ́ ṣe fine. Mọ́ lọ́ọ̀yà. Ìdíyẹn wá bẹ́ẹ̀ tàkàrà. Tó o bá gbé lọ sí school, ìfọ́ gbóná dáadáa.
Me? Akara. I'm not taking Akara to school.
Kí ló ṣàkàrà sí? Bákàrà ló máa ń gbé lọ school.
Hey, I don't want to take it now.
Kí ló máa wá jẹ?
Bring me money.
Ọ̀dà ṣe ń wá bí bọ́ mú níbí ìbẹ̀lẹ̀ wa. Ọ̀dà àgbà kò jẹun kò sọmọ.
Bye bye.
Olúwa. Especially you see me more.
God, thank you. This money where I make today. Thank you. You say tomorrow go better.
Ah, ore body. Ada baby. Bone. Kí ló dé tójú ẹ̀ ṣe ń kọ́rẹ́ lọ́wọ́.
Wetin happen?
I don't want to go to that school again. I want to go to private school.
Wetin happen for the school? They flog you?
No.
You fight with person?
No.
Wetin come happen?
They don't teach in that useless school.
I know say na government school, but that you go school. Your mates they go school, you go school. Abi you won't be like your mama. You say you won't be lawyer, so you go school.
Thing is, I can't be like you, whether I'm in a government school or a private school. But that's not the issue now. I need to go to a private school. They don't teach there. All the civil servants that work there, they don't even come to class. So please change my school.
Oda, Mugbo, next week, I will go check another school for you. So Tibo, I want to little
Bí ọ̀bọ̀ ṣe kí n jèrè lẹ́yìn ọkọ̀, Jùmọ̀kẹ́, ò ní jèrè. Ọmọ mi yìí ló fi fún ẹ lóúnjẹ, ò ní èmi fi òwúrọ̀ ayé mi, ó ní oúnjẹ rádaràda. Jùmọ̀kẹ́, bó bá kójọ láàárọ̀, ó máa dàrú mẹ́ lọ́dún ni.
Ta ni o? Bis wọlé wá. Bone.
Dada o. Ló ṣe?
Èsì o. Èsì. Mo ṣe wọlé wá ní rẹ́kọ̀dì. Tọ́lẹ́.
Bis. No vex say I no let you drink water and drop cup.
Listen.
If you get something I be wan ask you.
Ask me.
Mo fẹ́ ó yá mi lówó ni 200,000.
In this economy, make I go find 200,000. I dey stand for road. Or I dey do yahoo. Oh, they lọ gbébọn. 200,000 ló pè báyẹn.
Bisola, you know say na only you be the person wey I fit ask. Na why I so dey jo.
Oh, ask another person. Or call another number.
Abeg.
I no go lie for you. Now 133,000 wey dey my account. The 100,000 inside na for rent. But I go borrow you and you go return am back.
Ṣé mo ti dá owó tí ń dá padà ní bis ọ̀rẹ́ mi. Na why I love you be that. O ṣeun.
Oye wa form.
Mo bínú, inú mi dùn ni. Mo bínú. Say you go drink zobo.
Now you wan ask me if I go drink zobo.
No vex, na wetin we dey do me before.
Ice cream.
Máa fún ẹ zobo mọ́ mu. Gbé díẹ̀ kúrò kí n lọ wọlé.
Mo lè máa gbowó lọ́wọ́ mi.
Ọ̀yà máa bí. Ṣé nítorí mo ti wá?
O ti ní gbéraga bí o ní gbà kankan.
Ìní bí mo ṣe wà ní ewu. Léṣe. Madam, welcome.
Mother.
Wait till I bring pillow come for you.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
How's my baby, Mother?
At that day, she don't go school.
Yeah.
Small.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. You dey school now.
Where is Ada's father? It's okay if you do not want to talk about it.
You're wrong. When I tell her, say, I get belly, you run. Till today, me and now. Our eyes never do for.
Jumoke, I am so sorry about this. Does Ada know? Jumoke, I am so sorry. See, If there is anything that you need, anything that I can help with, do not hesitate to ask me at all. Please. Jumoke, please. I am here. Come. I am here. What is it? Ask me anything.
Madam, I beg this thing where I won't talk, no vex for me.
I no go vex.
I be wan change the school where Ada be dey go. He talk say the teacher for there, they can't teach them anything. See, she don't tell me. Now for up my mind been there. I know say I just started to work for here. But I been think if you just give me small for my salary, if not half, me I take do am.
Is that it? How much do you need?
Damn, I don't know but exactly the money. But I think you know that for bus stop, that market where you be the same you go. That roundabout where they there, that school.
Scarlet Academy. Scarlet Academy is quite expensive. I have friends that their children attend there. Okay. Your salary is 300,000, Abi? Okay. Okay. Your account number.
Madam, thank you. God bless you.
It is okay, Jumoke. It's okay.
Oh, thank you.
It's okay. Just put it in.
Bless you too. It's okay.
Thank you.
But madam, you be do mistake for a year. You send me 500,000. You said
Okay, not a mistake. Anything for Ada. She deserves it. It's okay.
You no be mistake.
Not a mistake.
Madam, go bless you.
Did.
Thank you, madam. No go laugh. Madam, you no go cry. You my head. You go. Madam, madam, thank you. You go born two. You go born three. See, if you want 2, you want 3, God go do it for you. Thank you. See, you no go lack. Nothing go happen for your family between you and your husband. Madam, this one where you do me. Thank you. Madam, thank you.
You're welcome. It's okay, please. It's okay.
Madam.
It's okay, Jumoke. It's okay.
No, Ada.
It's okay.
Madam, you won't go wash it.
Thank you, Jumoke. Hold on.
Madam, thank you. You need anything?
No, thank you, Jumoke.
Yes, you won't. Yes, you won't.
Bibi? Hey. What's happened? Why did you shout like this?
Hey.
You see money?
This one pass money.
What's with this?
You know that high school where they ran about? Scarlet. Now they come for your bank and cut bibe.
Tuition fee 150,000. Which one be tuition? School fees gone 150,000.
Yeah, school gone.
Levy 5,000. Excursion 50,000.
Excursion.
They go they travel.
Ada travel. Hey, more calo.
This money na 374,000 naira now. Where you go see the money for?
No, sir.
Wait. Who be this billionaire where you born this pikin for? Because you don't feel carry this this thing now.
You know, say na my Ada, na my Ada. Na the only thing where I been get be that she talks here her teacher no dey come class. You know they teach them. How she won't be lawyer if teacher no teach them. What you want make I go change that?
You guys, they calm down. This one, secondary school, don't they reach 374,000. When you reach university, what you go do? You go sell akara, go Harvard or waiting.
I go sell the akara, go America. See. Now this Johnson will be there. when we reach that junction, we go cross am.
You know how they tell you say make you calm down. The pikin wey you supposed to carry go hairdresser place, which they learn work. You say you want carry her go where? Go Scarlet, Starlet.
Ẹlẹ́dàá mi kọ. Ọ̀rọ̀ burúkú wo ló fi nù wọn? Ọlẹ́dàá mi kọ. How you go talk say make my pikin go dey do hairdresser? As pikin fine. When she fine, na ọmọ dùn ọmọ tán àkànkẹ́ mi. You say make she go dey do hairdresser. Na lawyer my pikin go do.
So people wey dey do hairdresser, they don't get sense, abi? They don't get sense. No problem.
Be your fault.
You go sell no verse, my friend. You go sell like
you no fit know as it dey before body. You never buy your.
I don't vex.
Na the same thing we dey talk.
No problem. You go sell like for money for night. You go sell your body.
I go carry and go meet president.
President.
You no worry.
Don't worry. You go sell your kidney joy sef.
No be
I get person wey go sell am for you.
No be you go pay the money.
No problem. 334,000. Everything for your entire life. You need 334,000.
No be you go pay the money.
Okay. You go sell your kidney at this point. They sell am o. I get person wey wan buy yours. I dey even dey fear sef.
Sister, see my uniform.
Ẹ wo bọ́mọ ṣe dùn. Ó yá wá bẹ̀rẹ̀. Ó ṣe fásikẹ́ẹ̀tì sí kùnbà. Ó fà wálẹ̀, ó gbélé wá sókè. Èyí bó ṣe dàbí lọ́ọ̀yà ó jẹ́ ó. Ó ṣe dùn. Ó yá kúnlẹ̀ díẹ̀ nígbà. Mo kúnlẹ̀ síbẹ̀, mo ti dọ́mi síbẹ̀. As you dey go school today, they no go run come me say something do you.
Amen.
You go get accident.
Amen.
All the book when your teacher dey teach you, go enter your head o.
Amen.
As you wan be lawyer, you go become lawyer.
Amen.
But if you start this school with joy, you go finish this school with joy.
Amen.
You will make me happy. You no go give me tears of pain, and tears of joy. I go dey cry on top you.
Amen.
In Jesus.
Amen. Mwah, mwah. Let me go carry my bag.
Oma, ada, Àkànkẹ́ mi, wo bó ṣe rẹwà, ó yá yípo, wo bó ṣe dàbí sọ́jà, jẹ̀mbẹ́ ẹja ilé.
Wait, no, don't.
Wetin I learn for school yesterday?
I learned a lot, but even if I tell you, you won't understand.
Ó yá wá máa lọ, kó má pẹ́ dé school. You go late, you can't go.
I'm coming.
Wait. Me at first. Rẹwà ó pọ̀. So sẹ́yìn jẹ́ ìyá. So sẹ́yìn jẹ́ ìyá. O ní rẹ́ni. Rẹ́ni yóò jẹ́ tó bá yá wa máa wá píṣọ̀ tó fi. Náà dá. Orípò rẹwà pọ̀. Gbogbo sí rí.
It's fine.
Ó yá wá máa lọ kó má late.
I should walk to school.
Ó sẹ́yìn.
Sorry, can't do that. Whenever I walk to school, I get dizzy, so I'm not doing that again.
Ṣebí owó mo fẹ́ fún ọ yìí. Ó dẹ̀ wọ kẹ̀kẹ́.
Keke? I cannot enter keke. Me, a Scarlet student, enter keke? Impossible. You want my classmates to laugh at me and see, I'm wearing white, that dirty keke so that they'll stain it. Please, I'm not doing that.
Ṣebí kẹ̀kẹ́ ló máa ń wọ̀. Ó dáa náà ń gbà náà. Wetin you wan make I do?
Come, let's go and pay for school bus.
School. Ó dáa náà wá máa lọ. Next week, in kan wọ́n lára I go pay for the school bus.
Yeah. Then in that case, today let's just book a ride then.
Ada ò sì máa ń sí báyìí. Kí lórí pé o lọ sí roundabout kí n pé o ride. Owó rẹ̀ pọ̀.
Book the ride.
Ọmọ yìí ò ní pa mí o. Ò ní pa mí. Ada, 4,500 lórí pé o lọ roundabout. Ó ti pọ̀ jù.
Accept it.
You know how many soup we go cook with 4,500? Ó pọ̀.
Accept it. Good.
Mr. Solomon is arrived. I'm all low. Kó jẹun o. Má fi gbogbo ẹ̀ jẹun kó mówó wálé.
I'm pretty sure they meant Mr. Solomon has arrived. But it's fine.
Coconut la don't say. Don't be alone on the same one. Has arrived. Oya tètè kó má pẹ́.
Bye, sister.
Ó dàbọ̀. Mo ṣeré pa o. Mr. Solomon. Tanje Mr. Hey, ada dúró dè mí o ìmọ̀ Mr. Solomon no. Jẹ́ wojú ọmọ ibi tó gbọ́mọ mi lọ. Mr. Solomon. Abeg. Let me drop small ojú kan ẹ̀pà ojú kan èrè ẹjọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run ìkan yìí ni mo bí o small thank you jẹun o kò sọmọ jẹ́jẹ́ o. Bísọ́lá bó o ní.
Dada
o lọ síbi iṣẹ́ ni no go work.
No, I get night shift. The way you dey train this pikin, e no good o. You be my best friend. So if I not tell you, who go tell you?
Ti máa ń bọ́ ọmọ mi jẹ́ to dey spoil am if you mean say the better life I dey give than dey spoil am make she dey spoil dey go.
Jumoke.
Ṣé nǹkan tí wàá ṣe burú ni? Ibad.
I no tell you say e bad, but the way you dey go about am e no good. And you know say if I no tell you true, nobody go tell you.
See, my pikin don talk say he wan be lawyer. Gbogbo agbára mi ń gbé sá kó jẹ́ lawyer. All these things where I dey do, all this school kere waka where I dey waka since morning with the sweat, with everything where I get. Now because of this pikin, I no get any. Abi you say something for my hand where I get. I no get anything. She go become lawyer. Tí ó bá tẹ́ lọ́rùn, bí ẹ kó mọ́ ọ lọ.
Kò yé mi, èwo wá lérò, èwo wá ní ọ̀rọ̀ tó fẹ́ nù mí.
Mo bínú mo ń sọ fún ọ.
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Mo ń bẹ sọ̀rọ̀ gidi o sọ pé kí n bá lọ.
Mo ti bínú.
Àwọn náà ti bíta.
Pẹ̀lẹ́.
Kí ló dé?
Mommy, Ada.
You don't give me new title.
Are you not a mom?
Now only you be dey call me Mommy Adana.
I beg, you can help me clean my room today. My back is paining me badly. I beg, and my husband is coming in tomorrow, so just help me clean it real quick, please.
Auntie Maria, you phone you. Don't be happy again on top my work. I go clean am when I finish. If I clean that one finish, I go come help you massage your back, yeah?
Thank you.
How are you on
42 and I'm 18.
For all these reasons, darling.
Ada, carry your leg up.
Oh, what is that? You know that's a bad word, right?
It was on my tile.
Yeah.
Will I play? I'm trying to use this key.
Okay.
Oops. Whoopsies.
I think I see where I'm going to play myself.
Madam, no first we dey go our house. Tamalu.
Jumoke, what is it? What happened? Did something happen?
Nothing happen. One day go our house.
Why you one day go? Wetin happen?
Ada, Dide.
What happened?
Money or Dide? Stand up now.
Jumoke, what happened now? What's going on?
Ada, you no go first we dey go our house.
Jumoke, what happened?
Wound, a heavy hand screams, yet no one answers. Lost in a world that tore her apart. 'Cause even when the nights won't break.
Madam, off top now. What's it happen? Is you okay? What's it do you? Is it happen? Sola. Jide wà lẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Jide wo? Jide kan náà. Where you sell? This life. Jide na my oga husband. I for Jide outside with the work. You say wetin? You know say as life be. Jumoke, you're going to leave that work. You go leave the work now. Wetin you dey tell me? You go dey work for where?
Yes? Did I just hear you say she should quit a job that pays her 300,000 naira?
Ada, pẹ̀lú ẹ sọ̀rọ̀, òun lè lọ.
Hey, sister, please, whatever it is, we can sort it out, oh. We can sort it out, but quitting a job that pays you 300,000 naira does not sound smart.
What do you know about job? You this rude child.
Contrary to what you think, in Nigeria, being a student is a job.
Come on, shut up your mouth. Shut up. It's your fault. I have told you to take in and flog senses into this girl. You won't listen.
When you finally find a husband and you give birth to your own child, then flog sense.
Oh yeah, Afara. Abo fẹ́ duba.
No. Ìbínú kọ́ ẹ̀. Wọ́n tó bá ti wọ̀ kò ṣe. Ìbínú báwo? Mo ṣe máa bínú.
Ada, Bisola no be your mate. Say na how they follow person wey pass you dey talk. You follow and talk so. She no be your mate oh.
I don't care if she's 1,000 years older than I am. That doesn't give her any right to call me names.
Ada mode ló ń ṣe o. Bisola, Bisola, like beans and rice. You don't think when we don't dey bare wa bo. She no be your mate oh. She don't be my friend now. 15 years after you na Bisola be the only family member we I get. And wetin Bisola talk, you no pass her mouth. She just dey advise you, may your life no spoil.
No, wait. Hold on. They'll say, call out to your friend. You call Bisola. Bisola is a bitter, broke woman that likes to poke her nose in people's businesses.
You don't do. You hear me? I say you don't do.
Wait. I can't believe this. Your friend asked you to quit a job that pays you 300,000 naira and you considered it. Are you addicted to suffering?
Ada!
It's not your fault. I know what the problem is. Because if you went to school when your mates were going to school, we won't be in this situation.
Ada mo bínú ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ ló jẹ́ Ada Yara
Jumoke. Jesus! Why you call the look am now? Why you call the look am? You won't kill her? What do you want? You are a very wicked girl, oh. You are a very, very, very wicked girl. Ah! Do you want to kill her? Kukuma take knife and stab her. You say you won't go private school. She put you for private school. She don't learn shoemaker, do bricklayer work because she won't make you there okay. Eh? She get asthma. She still a fire car up and down.
Bisola, ọmọdé ló ṣe.
Which ọmọdé? Ọmọdé òṣìwò ló ṣe. And this is your fault. To make what you make what you know where is lára ni. Oh, tí wọ́n nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀.
So wetin you wan make I do? Make I kill my pikin?
I don't say make you kill her, but train her properly. She kill you. Make she kill you.
They don't do come dey call your house.
Eh?
She be no know how to use inhaler. Na why?
You decide this girl. She almost kill you now. Oh.
Bisola, come dey go.
No problem. If I ever put my mouth in your matter and this girl matter again, call me bastard. Don't be your fault. Like she born you. Like me, I don't throw inside toilet. So can wait, now you go sleep. Don't get sense.
Shey you go talk?
The dinner, take it easy. Your food is not running away.
It's a what? Last time I was in Manchester, it's grass and yogurt I've been eating, and it was not funny at all. See, by the time I finish with this food, I'm stepping down with one cold Coke. Yeah, what?
You know you're supposed to be watching your sugar level.
Those sugar they are selling there in Manchester is Zobo. This one here is the real Coke.
Good afternoon, Maria.
Hi, sweetie.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, little girl.
How was school today?
Fine, I learned a lot.
Oh, that's great. This is my husband, Mr. Jide.
Good afternoon, sir.
You're welcome.
How was your flight?
My flight was good. Thank God there was no delay.
How is your mother? I have not heard from her since the last time she left here angrily. She okay?
She's sick, but she's fine.
She's sick? Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Please send her my regards, okay? She doesn't even take my calls anymore. Yeah? It's okay. I understand.
Yeah. Is it not sayable?
I'm from the east.
Oh, you're understandable.
I don't speak.
Oh, you don't speak. What part of the east are you from?
I don't know. The person that gave birth to me just said I'm from the east.
Child, what a pity.
Sweetheart, are you going to have noodles?
No, thank you.
Why?
I'm not hungry yet.
Oh, your mother said you should not eat in strangers' houses.
No, I'm not hungry.
I insist. I'm coming. I'm going to make you noodles now. Sweetheart, I'll be right back.
No problem.
Sit down, okay?
No problem.
Okay, I'm coming, love.
You sit down. Yeah? In that your school? Do they teach you people language there?
No.
No. You see? That is the problem. What are schools turning into now? Very soon now, in the next 30 years now, the language will just go to extension. Or what is this thing? What's that thing you call it in your school?
Extension.
Extension. Thank you very much. It's what a pity. I say your name is Ada. Did your mommy tell you why they call you Ada? Do you know that Ada is for first daughters? Yes.
Well, I didn't know that until now. Thank you.
Okay. You're welcome.
Well, my name is Ada Ekene, and I'm an only child. But I thought Ada meant something else.
Wait. Your name is Ada Ekene? Yeah, baby. Robin, yeah, come and hear something now.
What?
This your little girl is behind the same surname with us.
Are you serious? Thank you, sweetie. Your name is Ekene? That's our surname too. That's interesting.
I just remember though. Thank God I remember. I didn't tell you what happened to me in UK. That is how they got one man, they call him Matis Ekene. Thank God the difference is that I'm from Owerri and he's from Enugu. They would have arrested your husband now. I'm telling you.
Okay, I think I'm full. Do you want to help me?
Okay, let me help.
Alright, sweetie, thank you.
Okay, you're full.
So it's earlier. Let me take this.
But you want to eat something else?
No, I'm full.
Go on, let me be here. I will take my time with this food. I miss your food. Well, what are they selling in Manchester?
You don't have a choice.
You be eating grass. Am I a goat? Nee, if you. Oyoyo. My tomato juice. Wow. Now carry I go market. Now see my investment. Okay, me say, what is the problem? I know this one you're looking like this, like fufu that they splash on the wall. Okay. I know that anytime your face is like this, something is wrong. What do you want? Tell me. You know I'm up to the task. I'm able to put food on your table. Go and let me know. What do you want? Is it a new car? Or massage so they can massage your waist for me? Yeah, you are carrying my baby. I don't want anything to happen to you.
I'm worried about Ada and her mother. Did you hear me?
Well, now sleep gets me from here.
I said, can we please adopt Ada?
I don't get it.
Adopt Ada.
Actually a good one. I know that pregnancy used to make you crave many things, but can't go one human being now. You are craving a whole full human being. I don't understand this one.
Then it is not craving.
It is craving because I don't understand you. Very soon now you say you want to swallow me.
It is not cravings.
What is it?
I really love Ada.
Chai.
I've grown fond of her.
Hey, yeah.
And the way her mother struggles to take care of her, it breaks my heart. Did I tell you that anytime she comes, the baby is always kicking?
I don't know. Because I don't understand this one. Now, this one is sounding like human trafficking to me.
Human trafficking.
It's human trafficking now because you want to kidnap somebody's daughter.
It is not human trafficking now. Calm down. Calm down.
Go on, I am calm.
Okay. If Ada says yes and her mother agrees, are we good to go?
Because we answer the same Sunday, Makoya. Hi. Woman. Well, no problem. I will go and speak to the mother. Anything the mother says, I will let you know. Is that all? Yes. You are happy now? Well, no problem. As you are happy now, you want to come and make daddy happy. Let me come and get one.
Get what? I don't understand. This one has not come out. You want to do top up?
Let me just talk one standing here. Let me just top up one.
Jide, good night.
You see what you just come in Jide? But come Jide again. Let me hold you.
Stop. Do you want to hold your bum baby?
Just small.
Shifty,
because... baby.
Good night.
Just small. One thing.
Stop. Thank you.
Yeah, just get out.
I'll go out.
You open it. How come? She's not around. Where could she have gone to?
I don't know.
Okay, okay, you know what? Take this money, get yourself something while you're waiting for her. I need to pick Maria up at the hospital. Okay.
Thank you.
Take care of yourself. Would that be enough?
Yes.
Give me 1,000 then, let me see. Hope is that too much? Is that enough for you?
It's more than enough. Thank you.
All right, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.
Ada. Boni.
Mr. Jide just came here. He was looking for you.
Ada. Draw your ear. Today, na the last day where you go Maria house. You hear wetin I dey tell you so?
Why? You stopped working there. Fine. Now you don't want me to visit her. Why?
Abi, wetin I talk?
Ó ga o. Oore la máa rí o. Kí ló dé ò jáde ni? Ó ga. Ẹ ǹlẹ́ o.
Ṣé wàá ní?
Yá Jùmọ̀kẹ́, mo fi ẹ̀bẹ̀ nǹkan. Jọ̀ọ́ o, kí ni ìwọ àti bàbá Jùmọ̀kẹ́ ń ṣe lówùúrọ̀ ayé yín nígbà táwọn ẹgbẹ́ yín ṣe 1 or 2 or 3 tó ń gbowó wáyé? Irú béèrè rádaràda wo ló ń bí mi yẹn? Torí ká ní ìwọ àti bàbá Jùmọ̀kẹ́ ti ṣe normal sí ẹ ṣe 1 2 3 4 ẹ ti fi ọjọ́ àárọ̀ yẹn ti ṣe normal bóyá ẹ ti máa lówó wèrè kan àbí kẹ́ nílẹ̀ sí ibi kan tó rò pé màá fẹ́ kúrò nílùú. Ìwọ kúrò ní ìlú yìí lọ síbò ó fẹ́ rí ìlú òyìnbó ó kàwé ó kọ́ṣẹ́ kó máa gúnbẹ gúgò ni rádaràda ó fẹ́ lọ ṣiṣẹ́ nàbì àbí èmi ó fẹ́ lọ ṣiṣẹ́ nàbì tún sọ tó bá dúró mọ́ ní ọgbẹ́ ẹ̀kọ́ ọmọ pa ọ́ tún sọ tó bá bí ẹ̀dá tún sọ kí n pa kí n gún ẹ kí n ah
I will not visit her again, I promise.
Oh yeah.
Ada, are you okay? What happened? Did something happen?
Ada, Alvin.
Ada.
What I beat you with a stick.
Beat what?
No. Jumoke doesn't strike me as someone who would beat a child with a stick. No, you must have done something for her to punish you.
I didn't. She was just very angry and then she hit me. If you don't believe me, you can come to my house at 11 o'clock tomorrow.
I have a gynecologist appointment by 11 a.m. tomorrow.
Don't worry. Don't worry. I will go and meet her. She will explain to me why a mother will be beating her daughter like this. Organism. Ozuroi. Even if she thief meat from the pot, it's not enough reason for you to be beating her like that. Organism.
Sorry.
With a stick.
Jumoke.
I'm sorry, darling. Sorry.
Bees. Carol.
Good morning.
Ǹjẹ́ o mọ̀?
Rest, abeg.
Sáà ni. Ga o. Lè fẹ́ kí ẹ tọ́ ló gbé inú ní ìgbé kọ́. Tóbi ọ̀run ò gbà. Òjìlé ayé ṣàpójì.
I want to apologize.
You won't apologize.
I'm sorry for being rude, mean, selfish, and ungrateful.
No, sir, I don't follow you there. Say you go chop vegetable.
Yes.
I know say you go chop. You know it. Finish this one, I go buy you chicken. I know say you like chicken. Go,
Ada! Ada! Papa! Did your mother do this to you? Your mother! Hey! Mother!
No!
Sweet. Well, let us get back to you. Let us get back to you. Hey! Your mother! Hey!
Jesus Christ! Jesus! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
It's terrible.
Oh my God! I'm so sorry, Ada. I'm so sorry. Oh,
Why didn't you go for a checkup?
Dr. Ibewe rescheduled.
No, I'm coming.
Ada, I'm so sorry. We need to get you cleaned up. I'm so sorry, darling. Oh my days. I'm so sorry. Oh, Ada, my baby. You don't deserve any of this. I'm so sorry.
Ada, ǹjẹ́ o mọ̀ pé yìnyín rádìyẹ rà? Ta ló ṣe rá? Ada, ta ló dá? Ada, bó lọmọ yìí wá rè lọ báyìí? Ada, Tom, dáńdá, Ada o, níbo lọmọ yìí wá lọ? Ada, Ada. Ọmọ àfà kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
Ó set to go.
Ó ti set.
It don't happen. No. By this time, next tomorrow, when I get an F in the obodo Igbo Spain like this, we don't go.
Ó pọ̀.
Yeah, again. See, if you don't do like that, I know say something don't happen. Which one be where they talk? I don't like him.
Jídé, mo ti lóyún.
You waiting?
Mo ti lóyún.
Who put a fight reach there?
Irú ìbéèrè wo ni ẹ̀jẹ̀ ìgbà tó ń ṣe tí mo ní kó ló ti bí olóòlò.
Baby, stop this the way they talk. You say Lotibi, you know say I like him the way they give me. How you go tell me make I use Lotibi? I don't like him.
Ó dáa.
Bia, stop this the way they talk. Oh.
Jídé má jẹ́ n bínú o.
You don't start to the.
Jídé má jẹ́ n bínú o. Má jẹ́ n bínú o.
Stop. Only small you don't the verse. So you go keep this thing.
Mi ti wà mọ́.
Hi. Chimuke. Hi. Nah. Chimuke, how you go say you go carry belle for this kind time wey be say God don dey bless us?
Ẹjọ ṣé mi ni mo dora mi lóyún ni.
Bia, I don't like this way they talk. You get weapon here. You go comot this thing wey dey your belle. I don't tell you.
Ṣé kí wọ́n á pa ẹ̀rìn mi wá yọ nǹkan?
You no go comot am.
Mi ò yọ ọ̀ràn kan. Kò ṣe rubbish tó fẹ́ ṣe mi ò yọ nǹkan kan.
Hi. Jumoke ebolemo. Jumoke don't kill me. Hi. Engwa nso ba dewa. People think am say Akachukwu no ya. God hand you dey inside. Make we talk and say God want both me both you and the baby make we go obodo Igbo. Make we be kana that. Season. No problem. Here again now. Next tomorrow, 6 p.m. Make you meet me for here. If you hear me, so Jumoke, 6 p.m. Imagine about late too much.
Ó dá ṣe kí wọ́n bá yẹn lé kúrò ń parí.
No come by me, make I come by for here. You dey hear me? 6 p.m. Jumoke.
Mo gbọ́.
Don't tell you. From there, me and you. Make I dey go now. Okay.
Ó ṣáà ti sọ́dọ̀ ọmọ yá.
Who can say the one wey I don't do there, you want add another one join am bia? Respect yourself.
Jídé. Fine boy.
You don't be sitting.
Ó yá máa lọ.
6 p.m. sharp.
Mo ti gbọ́. Mo gbọ́ ẹ. Wàhálà. Kò bọ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn. Uni baby.
Please try again later. The number you're trying to call is currently switched off. Please try again later. The number you're trying to call is currently switched off. Please try again later. The number you're trying to call is currently switched off. Please try again later.
Jide, I beg. I did beg you. Come on for a year. Jide, come on for a year. I don't want to see your wicked face for a year. Just there, go. Ada! Where Ada?
Relax. Ada is fine. She's with Maria.
Jide, can't you go?
Cherry.
Jide, if I were
Chimuke, Cherry.
Jide, come over my house.
Chimuke. It's Ada. Is Ada my child?
Thunder fire that mouth when you take all Ada your pikin. If you call my pikin your pikin again. Jide.
Chimuke.
Ofimi sílẹ̀ ó sá lọ.
Chimuke.
You leave me, Japa.
Chimuke.
Jide, me and you be get agreement.
Chimuke.
You use me. Do Japa.
Chimuke, no be so you think I'm.
Hey.
No be so you think I'm Chimuke.
How it take be?
Chimuke.
Wetin I think you want to explain? Open your mouth and explain. I dey hear you.
Chimuke, I won't tell you say I no come find you when I come back. I find you go everywhere. I can never I don't see you. Eh? You say think now you go carry belly, they follow me, they go desert. You know what thing they talk about desert now?
You know what in my eyes see.
Do you know what in my eyes?
You know what in my eyes see.
Also to Benny dead.
Now what you do? Now what you get? Now my head catch you.
To get my eyes see. What thing I can use my eyes see for desert? Chimuke, I know say everything as I go Spain. Chimuke. You could say you don't follow me go that place because if you say you follow me, if for not last 2 days for that desert.
You don't die. Before better. I know for see you. Because this cry where I did cry. I know for the cry. I'm all my life where I don't know you now. So cry, I did cry. Come over my house.
Okay.
Jide, you jẹ mí o. Jide, I suffer.
No first.
Jide, nothing wey my eye no see o. Just because I want make sure say my pikin no suffer.
You no be so I been planning am.
People dey look me, dey curse me, dey laugh me, Jide.
Chimuke.
Something wey be 2 people load.
Okay.
You carry her for me alone.
No be so I been planning am.
And you know as we take me.
No be so I been planning am. See, Chimuke. Biko, hear me. Give me this chance. Make I fix everything, Biko. Make I be that papa for Ada wey dey find. Biko, please. Ada dey my house. I could take care of her like my own. Biko, just give me this chance.
I know, sir. I don't offend you. Emejola, the people. Just give me this chance. Make I begin to make a move to you. Come around. I beg you. I'm a picking. Please.
Jide.
Okay.
Jide. Jide.
Pico.
Emily Mopo.
10 times.
You're on your mommy.
Nothing could do.
My pikin no dey suffer.
When he get me, nothing could do.
Nothing. What do you do for that pikin? That pikin na my life for.
Okay. They promise you, and me put in kwakada. Nothing could do that girl. No, my pikin too now. No, my pikin.
That boy on die.
Darling, thank you. Thank you.
There's so many.
Don't be my fault. Don't be so happy.
Yeah, Jeremy.
Go first.
Good morning, Mommy. Good morning, darling. How are you? Hi, Mommy. How are you, darling? Are you ready for school? Got your lunch?
Good
morning, sir.
Adam.
Hey, baby.
Come. You know that you can call me Daddy or Mpa.
Okay, Daddy.
No problem. We are going to school now. Biko, prepare that soup for me. Just warm it. You still have that soup remaining. I will eat fufu when I come back. Oh.
On a Monday morning.
That is what I feel like.
Are you not going to give me a kiss?
You know I want my daughter to.
Bye-bye. Alright, have a good day, guys. You're back from school. Good afternoon, darling. How was school today? How are you, darling? Bella, sit down. How was school?
Fine. We're starting our midterm break tomorrow.
Midterm so soon. You kids are enjoying privileges that we did not have during my time. Oh.
What's this?
It was your daddy GD that bought them for you.
Wow.
Do you like them?
I love it. Thank you so much.
You usually thank me. Same you thank. Hey, let me help you with some. Yes, that's my favorite. The color looks so good on you.
This is so beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you to daddy, not me. I'm so glad you like it.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, darling.
I'll just put this inside and back.
Okay, sweetie, no problem. Are you hungry? Do you want me to fix you something to eat?
No.
Are you sure? Alright.
You're welcome, darling.
Alright.
Hands tied to a dark wall.
Ada, come chop oh. Don't say I go chop now, you go say I don't finish the meat. Ada.
That tore apart. 'Cause even when the nights won't break, even when the ground gives away, love will rise, love will stand through the pain, through it all, love remains.
I beg you.
Too much to bear, a broken dream, a broken heart, trapped in a past that won't let go, but she still prays, she still holds on, 'cause even when the nights won't break, even when the ground gives away, love will rise, love will stand through the pain, through it all, love remains.
Oh, yeah? So you are knocking my door like this. Who are you? This one you come to my house.
Jumoke! Jumoke, where have you been? What's going on? Hey, no, please, get up.
Baby, go forgive me, I beg.
It is okay, please get up, please. Get up, Jumoke, please get up. What happened? You stopped coming to the house, no calls, nothing. Please, sit down.
What's she doing here?
Ada, I saw me, money, worry. I see me, I can't see you, I beg.
You've seen me. Go.
Ada, do you remember you're speaking to your mother?
I'm pretty sure she's here to take me back home and tell me never to visit you guys, like she did before.
Jumoke, did you say that? Why? I mean, if you're not comfortable with her visiting me, why did you allow her come and live with us now?
There might be no one like you. This matter get Darasimi.
Same thing she says when I ask about my father.
Ada, I'm sure she has a reason why she kept the information away from me.
Ada, see, make I come tell you, say, I do go Ibadan tomorrow.
Safe journey.
Ada, I beg. Ada, what have you do? We're gonna make you forgive me. I beg. Dariji me.
Tell me exactly who my father is, where he is, and where I'm from. Oh, not I'm from the east. Exactly where my village is.
You be done. You be done with your papa.
What do you mean?
Did they get in your papa? Your village now, really?
You're lying.
Jide.
Ada. Dúró lọ jẹ́ sọ fún ẹ kó tó ṣẹlẹ̀. Ada ò tẹ̀ dúró lọ. Ada.
You see this matter, I can explain. You see, know what you did.
You two get away from get out from my side.
Let me explain. You see this matter, let me explain. You see, Chumoke is sick. Let me explain what happened. Don't think about your condition now. I will explain when everything happens. Calm down.
Maria. Ikobaram. I'm very sorry. Maria.
Never in my life did I think that you were such a wicked person. Why, Jidena? Why? If you knew that you were not ready to be a father, why did you bring a child into this world?
Maria.
No, is that what you're planning to do? Run away when I have this baby?
No. Maria, I promise, it's not what you think, oh.
It is not what I think.
It's not what you think.
Okay, please, tell me what I think it is. Tell me that you had an opportunity to be a father, but yet you chose to be a coward and avoid full responsibility.
Look, I recently just found out I had a daughter. I'm telling you. Look, Maria, I'm Nadi Olamge. I am very sorry. Please, I should have told you the moment I found out. I was just considering our baby. I didn't want to come and stress you with this kind of matter now. Biko Baharam, I'm sorry. Please. It's the devil. No, it's not devil. I'm sorry. Adam, you have to stop being angry with your mom. I need you to forgive her. Make peace with her, just as you have forgiven me, please.
Oh, the only reason why I forgive you is because it's not your fault.
Look, I know, but listen, please.
Can I just go by myself? I came to bid you farewell. And I'm here to tell you that...
I don't beg you. I don't say me you forgive me.
You know that doesn't matter, right? Not in this life, not in the next life. I'm only here to tell you that I hate you. I hate you so much, and you're a wicked mother. I hate you so much, and I pray that you die a miserable death and burn in the deepest part of hell. Bye.
Hands tied to a dark wound, a heavy hand, a heavy heart. Silence screams, yet no one answers. Lost in a world that tore her apart. 'Cause even when the nights won't break, even when the ground gives away, love will rise, love will stand through the pain, through it all, love remains. She won't break, she won't fall, 'cause love will stay. A load too much to bear, a broken dream, a broken heart, trapped in a past that won't let go, but she still breaks.
Did you say she hates me?
Pikin call me wicked woman. Never because of you. Because of you. Because of the cost when you be put on top of me. I beg. I beg. Mama, I beg. I beg. You don't do. You don't do.
Ìjọlá pọ̀ ló bí mi, agun ẹ̀ máa sọ ẹ́ dá sẹ́ǹsì.
Ó jọlá ni o. Má jẹ́ jọlá. Ó jọlá ni. Wá gún mi.
Ògbójò òṣì tó
Wá gún mi.
gbẹ fún lélẹ̀.
Wá gún mi. Ṣọmọ lélẹ́yìí. Ó lè ní jèrè. Bí ọ̀pọ̀ ò ṣe kí n jèrè lẹ́yìn ọkọ̀, Jùmọ̀kẹ́, ó ní jèrè. Ọmọ mi yìí ló fi fún ẹ lóúnjẹ, ó ní èmi fi òwúrọ̀ ayé mi, ó ní oúnjẹ rádaràda. Jùmọ̀kẹ́, bó bá kọjọ láàárọ̀, ó máa dàrú mẹ́ lọ́dún ni. Wọ́n bí. Ewúro rẹ̀, ewúro, ó máa ń kọ̀rọ̀ ni. Jùmọ̀kẹ́, ajé máa kọ̀rọ̀, kò ní lọ́dún. Kò ní lọ́dún. Ẹni yóò bí mọ̀ wá láyé mi lọ́wọ́ ayé lẹ́yìn báyìí. Abeg. I know. Say that wetin I do, I dey chop. What you don't do? Abeg, I dey. Mama, you don't do. You don't do. You don't do. Abeg. Mommy, you say you want make her die. Mama, I don't say you make her go die. Abeg, you don't do. Mama, abeg. You do what you want me. You do what. You don't do. You don't do. I don't mean to come home. You don't. I better go. I don't. You don't do. Mama, I better go. Everybody TV. You know that you fall. Mama, I better go. I beg.
Jùmọ̀kẹ́.
Bisola, every day, Mama, every beggar. You don't do. You don't do. You don't do. We don't do.
It's okay. Stand up.
I don't think we can go die.
Stand up. You know they die. You know they nothing go happen to me.
No, Kuku die.
Stand up.
No. Look me.
No.
You don't do. Every beggar say you don't do.
You self, you don't do. You don't do now. What make I come they cry too? Stand up. Look, you don't see you like this.
You do.
Stand up.
You don't.
It's okay now.
How do you feel today?
Better than yesterday.
Do you need anything?
You have everything I need.
Oh, I do?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I mean, you have My baby brother.
And how do you know that it's a boy?
I guessed it.
Ah. There. He's kicking.
Oh my god, I felt it!
Yeah!
So good!
No. Okay. Did you feel that one?
Yes, I did.
Calm down. Calm down, calm down, calm down. I get so excited.
Get so excited around me.
Yes. Calm down.
Ow.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Sure. Ada, are you okay? Ada! 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 Ah!
What did they do now? Oh, Bisola, me no go see me. I don't know.
You'll be fine. Chop your food, but make I bring a home.
See, Bisola food there, no be food they do.
What's he going to do you? See, you don't talk say this child dey with a papa now. Could you okay?
Bisola, they go Ibadan. Nothing they where they sit down here they do.
You dey go where?
I dey go Ibadan.
You go just go Ibadan just like that. Why?
Wetin I dey here they do. My pikin dey with him papa, he say no one see me. Wetin remain?
So you can't go there. He dey with him papa now. Na person wey born am him dey with. You go there all. Wetin do you now?
This left side of my chest just dey pain me.
Sorry.
Ginger! Ada! Ginger! Ada! Something is wrong with Ada. Something is wrong with her. Ada!
Adam! Biko. Hey! Biko, John, open this door! John! Open this gate! John!
Ada dey with him papa now.
Wetin? Bisola nkan ṣẹlẹ̀.
Utol! Obara! Hey! Obara! Gently, just gently. John! Can everything be John to know? John! Come here, how to son John! Sorry. Don't touch my wife's leg, idiot! Don't hold her hand, Help! Help! Open the car door, idiot! Gently, You're almost there. Help!
Bisola nkan ṣẹlẹ̀. Ara ń kun mi.
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ náà?
Nkan ṣẹlẹ̀. Ẹ̀rọ mi dà. Ẹ̀rọ ẹ̀ bá wá ẹ̀rọ mi.
Òun rèé. Kí ló ṣe é?
Òun náà ni. Wọ́n ti hello. Adada. Yé. Mo gbé ṣẹlẹ̀. Wọ́n ní ìmọ̀ bọ̀ lọ síbítù. Wọ́n ní ìmọ̀ bọ̀ o. Tèmi bá mi. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Ìmọ̀. Wait. Oh. Wait.
Nurse. Boss, please say something. Tell me something. Hi. Jehovah. Biko. Baby, Boss. Doctor, what is happening?
Mr. Jide, your wife would need to undergo an emergency cesarean section.
But go ahead now, go ahead.
You need to sign some papers.
Money is not the problem. We can sign later now. Doctor, they can go ahead with the cesarean section. Can't pay for this thing, sir. God, Jehovah, hey, Jesus. Doctor.
Mr. Jide.
Ada, where my Ada? Jide, where my Doctor, where my Ada?
I believe you're the one.
Na me born now. Wetin happen?
We are trying our best to revive her, but she's not responding to treatment.
Wetin that one come mean?
It means it is bad for Ada. But we
Jide,
we are trying our best to.
Ada!
God, why? What did I do? Why you won't take my pikin? God, why? What did I do you? What did I do? Oba. Ogbenu Mudi Ashola. Ogbenu Eniyan Fohun. Lion of the tribe of Judah. God, I have come. I beg, don't take my pikin from you. God, please. The only pikin I get is that you give me. God, now you give me Ada. Now you give me Ada. No, take my pikin. God, I beg. I don't suffer it. God, I don't suffer out of this pikin. I beg. God, I beg. My pikin don't go die. My pikin must not die. He don't go die. God, I beg. My pikin don't die. Ada! When I go die, I don't go come out. My pikin don't go die. He don't go die. But I beg, I don't suffer. Don't use my pikin. Don't use my pikin against me, I beg. Gugu take me. You take me, they go on this my pikin. Ada.
Dr. Dare, she's awake.
She's awake. Well, let me go see.
Oh, no, you can't come in. We'll handle it from here.
What you call this? Dalu, Jehovah. Dalu. Hey. Jumoke, where you dey now? Ada don't wake up. Begin they come. Hey, you call this? Dalu.
You don't wake. I dey come. I don't fall. I dey come. Hey. Thank you, oh God, thank you.
Mr. Jide.
Doctor.
Congratulations, you have a boy.
Thank you. Can I see them now?
I'm sorry. We lost Maria. It's okay, Mr. Jide. It's okay, Mr. Jide. I'm sorry.
Did she show any sign of loss of appetite or fatigue?
I don't understand.
I mean, like, is she like occasionally tired and she doesn't want to eat?
I don't get job. I don't get job. Sometimes she will just say she's tired. What always happen? I beg, tell me.
Your daughter has nephrotic syndrome.
I do not go school. Explain.
Nephrotic syndrome is a condition that makes the kidney to leak a large amount of protein into the urine. And early symptoms of this could cause loss of appetite and fatigue.
Doctor, leave grandma. What we go do? What is the solution?
Okay. What I'm trying to say, Ada needs a kidney transplant. And honestly, it is not advisable to keep her on the waiting list. And also, it is not advisable to fly her out of the country.
She should be used by who?
Well, we have to conduct a comprehensive test to make sure you are fit.
I hate you so much, and I pray that you die a miserable death and burn in the deepest part of hell.
We do it. My picking go do okay. The only she that can get, I beg, get me, doctor, I beg.
No.
I beg.
It's fine.
Oh yeah, leave me do it.
Just give me a moment. Let me page the nurse.
Okay, wait, you dey sure? Bisola, dey sure. What about Jide? Your wife just born and she died. I beg. I won't make you help me write some paragraph. Okay. Go right and say.
Hello. How are you faring? Good afternoon. You're fine, yeah? Let me see. Okay. Your mother left this for you. I'll be outside.
Okay.
Ada ọmọ Igbo, Ada ọmọ mommy. I dey sorry for the suffer wey make you suffer. Abeg, forgive me. I don't know if I go survive this operation, but as long as say you dey, I go fit go meet God for heaven. May I rest in peace. But if God say make I no die, I go travel go Ibadan. Ada, Shomo jeje o. Take care of your papa and your brother. Take care of yourself too.
I want to see my mommy. I want to see my mommy now. I want to see my mommy.
Wait, Ada.
Mommy, I'm very, very sorry. I'm very sorry for being so wicked and ungrateful. I know I've been very mean, but please, can you find a place in your heart to forgive me? Thank you so much for helping me. Thank you. Thank you for not pushing me away, for not hitting me, and for not even cursing me. Thank you so much.
I don't know. You be my Ada. You be my pikin. I don't feel vex for you. You don't do.
Thank you. But how can Can you forgive me so much after all I did to you?
Only you I get that. And a small picking they do you.
It's okay.
What did you?
I know it is something wrong.
Give me. Did you give me? Oh, yo. Oh, yes, the picking fine. Oh. Hi. Did where piece they smell for the pikin body? How you take wear the pampers? Where piece they leak for him body like this? The papa no sabi wear pampers. The Maria face this pikin carry oh. Try. Let's do this one. Oh, that's if I see your brother. Oh, yo. Look at Hala.
'Cause even when the nights won't break, even when the ground gives way, love will rise, love will stand through the pain, through it all, love remains. She won't break, she won't fall, 'cause love will stay. Alone, too much to bear, a broken dream, a broken heart, trapped in a past that won't